Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh man, Halloween is gonna be the best. Yeah, you always say that. You said it yesterday. Yeah, it was. I got so tired getting rid of this bison and this cow and this deer. We had to find their restaurant. Yeah, their restaurant was too bad anyway. And we almost tried to broke in. They never came out of our houses yet. Well, Kilson, we are very lucky to be survived. We sure are. Well, that's because we are, Kill. Man, I hope our food doesn't get stolen again. Yeah, I hope so too. Yeah, well, we all do. Right, Vaki and Elon and, Kill? Of course we do. Sure. Yup. Yeah, homie. Sure we do. uh, la 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 ja ja ja. I'm walking in the summer and every day. Woohoo! Oh man, I like my nice JCS theater place. Full of places and full of art. I wonder what's going to happen next. What the? Who are you? Oh well. Gotcha! Haha. You thought it wasn't that easy anyway. Well, yeah. What? Oh, who are you? Who the heck are you? Who am I? And where are we? Well, where are you? Well, you're in cutout paper. Just look like we are, of course. Well, you're in cutout paper. Duh. Well, of course. Look, don't worry. Don't worry, bro. Don't worry, bro. Kilson, he'll get over it. So, what's your name? Where do you live? I don't live anywhere. I don't live anywhere. I just live in a box full of papers. See? That's where I live. Wow. Never thought of that. I never thought of that at all. Oh, hello. Well, nice to meet you. What are you guys' names? Well, over in the hedge is Kill and Vaki and Vaki. Kilson, he gets kind of tough, and of course you can call me Elon. Nice to meet you, bro. Oh, well, thank you. I'm Jeremy. I am the main character of this channel. Okay. Wait, okay. So me, wait, who are you names again? Oh, the names you forgot? Oh, of course you forgot. Well, over in the hedges, Kel, Vaki, and Kelson, and of course, I'm the eagle, Elon. That's a chicken. That's a vulture, and that's a hen, and of course, I'm a bald eagle. Okay, so the four of you birds. Well, you guys going to go for a very great adventure? Because, yeah. Yes, we would like to go to adventure. And also, to keep in mind, besides our names, we are the branda birds. BRANDA space BIRDS. We are the branda birds. Wow, so you're the branda birds, huh? Okay, well, I did not know that. Well, welcome, branda birds. You guys gonna have an adventure with me? Sure, we would like to have an adventure with you. You guys are nice birds, and also you, Kilson. What? You can possibly have the corn, whatever you want. Corn? Did you just say corn? Oh my god, I like corn. No corns around, but there's corns in the sleigh. Oh my god, I like corn. Yo, bro. Yo. Hey. Hey. I was having the best dream ever. Get back to reality. Yeah. He dreams about corn a lot because chickens eat corn while he's in the farm. I can see. Well, come on, guys. Let's go to a nice, great adventure. Yeah, let's go. Come on, Vacky and Kill and Elon. This is gonna be very great. Woo 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 woo.